Today unboxing is on the pair of Tomica Lamborghini Murcielago. The Fire Chief version below is the Tomica Shop Exclusive, while the police version above, which I must thank my buddy James Quack for sending this to me, is the Aeon Exclusive. It's very interesting to note that although both are the same casting, their box sizes are different. The Tomica Shop comes in a larger box as compared with the Aeon Exclusive, and both have the Lamborghini authentication sticker. At 1:62 scale, the casting looks huge. Very nice paint job as always from Tomica, and it comes with a standard factory suspension without any opening parts. The front headlights are painted, and in my opinion, it don't look good. Just like any Tomica Shop Exclusive, it comes with the logo, and you can see the clearance is pretty wide. The one thing I like about the Murcielago is the rear, it's very detailed. Overall, the Tomica Shop Lamborghini Murcielago Fire Chief is a very clean and very basic casting. Next is the Aeon Exclusive Lamborghini Murcielago in foreign police livery. This casting is definitely a great addition to my Tomica police collection. Similar to the Fire Chief version, it doesn't come with any opening parts with a standard factory suspension. I like the high gloss black on the body with the American police inspired deco. You can see the emergency number Hex 911 on one of the side. The same impressive details on the rear as compared with the Fire Chief, and also the blue light bar instead of red for the Fire Chief. Although the details are basic, both casting with their respective livery looks very impressive, and it's also a very highly collectible casting. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!